Today, my daughter Salish reveals our new...
This is my channel now. You can't be doing my intros. No. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a house tour. Let's go. Okay, now, Dad, I can't really film. Can you please film things?
Wait, I'm a cameraman now? I want to say one thing, and that is that the house is actually not ready to be seen yet, but
Yes,
Salish
it
is impatient, and because she's so impatient, we have to do it today. We've only been here for like...
I just messed up. I'm going to show you guys my room at the end of the house tour, so stick around for that. All right, let's look at the house. This part is the craziest thing ever. We have an elevator.
The reason the builder put in an elevator is because if you have like elderly parents that want to visit...
Dad.
Salish, what do you do more, the stairs or the elevator?
The elevator. Why would I walk up the stairs?
You're so lazy. It's one flight.
Next, this room.
You can see there's boxes everywhere, guys, because we're not even ready to do this house tour. We kind of just grabbed whatever we had and we put it in the house, right? We weren't going to get all new furniture just because we get a new house. You guys may remember this couch from our old home.
Hey guys, it's Salish, and this is Gigi and Nadal.
And has a lot of memories.
Not a home, it's a house.
Okay, we had a lot of memories
It's a
on this
house,
couch, right?
it's not
Like we
a
watched
home.
movies and we hung
Next
out.
room.
Salish thinks calling it a home is too emotional.
And the reason I didn't want to start a channel is because I didn't think anybody would care. But then my dad put a poll up on YouTube, and a lot of you said you guys wanted me to, so I did. Let's look at the kitchen.
Wait. Now we're good.
Getting the coffee store is so hard. You have to push it all the way in. There we go.
In case anybody's curious, why would you be? That's our food.
This? Dad, what the heck? Why do you always leave your coffee grounds in this machine? I'm gonna pour this on you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's so annoying. So then we have these cereal makers that I actually made. This is the really pretty pantry. It looks so organized.
Look, I'm doing a beauty shot of the pantry.
Oh my gosh. You don't know how to do beauty shots.
I do so.
Stop showing yourself. Oh, let me guess, you did your 5 extra strands of hair really well today. So now you want to show them off?
Yeah, actually. So what she's saying is I don't have a lot of hair. That's what she's trying to say.
People understand. This might be my favorite room in this entire house. Wait, are you filming yourself?
What?
Dad! And obviously this room isn't that finished, but I'm really excited to show you when it is finished. This couch is so comfortable. I've already called my side.
Surprising, that's your side because it's got the most leg room. She needs the most leg room, but she has the least long legs. What are your shoes doing there? Get your shoes off the couch. These are brand new.
I haven't worn them in so long.
Get your shoes off. She cannot have her shoes.
Stop doing it!
You know that this is the house she's gonna leave?
Okay, Dad!
You know, like she's gonna grow up, she's gonna go to whatever college, and she's gonna leave this house.
I'm gonna break this if you don't teach me.
You can't break it. YouTube sent us this, by the way.
Wait,
Thank you, YouTube.
You know there isn't a CD in it anymore?
It's not a CD, it's a record.
Aw, look at how cute we look.
Aw, look at them. Look at you, you're so cute, you're so cute. You were so cute when you were little. Ow, ow!
Dad, what was your hair doing? Why was it slick?
That wasn't slicked. I got a very short haircut then.
And Mom thought you looked good.
Yeah, I look great there.
Ew.
Everybody look at it. Look at me. Look, I know, the hair's a little short. I agree. Well, what's wrong? Why are you covering you?
My hair's not done.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? You won't show us because your hair's not done? All right, let's move on. Oh, that's her hair.
And I can't wait to show you guys my room, but I'm gonna do that last. And look, we've never had a big TV like this. We've had a TV that goes out to here and like up to like there. And this is a frame TV, so it's right next to the wall. Look how cool that is. So you put a picture on this and you put a frame around it and it just looks like it's hanging art. And then you can watch TV on it. It's really cool. Okay, this is the outside. So this is just like a bench if we have people over and we don't have enough seating.
But also, it's something that we don't know where to put it yet because the place isn't ready to be showing today.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
This is the TV and this is the fireplace for night if you ever want to like do whatever you do when you look at a fireplace. And it's actually pretty warm, but I'm turning that off because it's summer. Dad, why is this here? Shouldn't there be like a couch here to make it look really pretty?
You mean like look at the fire on the TV with a couch there?
Yeah.
Ping pong's more fun though.
Okay, now I have something really exciting to show you guys. Wait for it. Ready? A trampoline! And this is an in-ground trampoline, so it's really cool. And when it's nighttime, you can see under it, and it's amazing for doing tricks. We got this at trampolines.com, and it's so fun to have it in the ground. I love it way more than anything else here. think it's cool now, you should see it at night. Back to the tour. We have this. It's a swinging chair. And I love this swinging chair so much. And it's actually a pretty good view of the house. I don't really like sitting here too long. Back to the tour. My parents don't really drink that much wine, so we're turning it into our yarn cabinet. It's cold in here. It's nice. This is the dining room.
I mean, it's nothing right now.
It's not really anything,
Like,
but it's probably going to be my mom's office.
We don't know what we're going to do with this room yet, right?
Probably mom's office.
You know what? We don't know, so why are we showing the house yet?
Well,
Like,
no.
look, what?
Because we're ready. Let's go see my dad's office.
No,
Come
no,
on.
not my office. My
Yeah.
office isn't ready. No, no, no.
It's
Office is not ready to be
It's
seen.
ready.
No, no, no.
Oh, he has to have his Nespresso machine even in here.
Okay, actually, just so you know, that was a gift from Darman. Dar, thank you so much for the housewarming gift. I will use it every day.
And then my diamond play button for 10 million subscribers. This camera that Brianna gave my dad.
Wait, stop. I want to show you guys. Look what's actually on her neck. Oh, the heart I gave her when she went to her premiere. Oh, she loves me.
How messy is his desk? I mean, look, Minty tries to make this organized, but it does not look like it's working. I'm gonna be stealing some of those. Next room. I don't really know what I want to do with this.
You? You mean us?
No, me.
What do you think, you're in charge of everything?
Yeah.
What about a fire pit right there? Would that be cool? And then we sit around and we tell stories and we talk to each other about emotions and stuff?
Sure. Anyways, next room. Stop showing yourself!
Why? What's the problem?
You're cringy.
Put us together.
With the hair?
Happy? No! Did you not?
It's
You
not
did
even
not.
done. Uh-oh, the one strand is that way.
Are you saying I only have one strand? All right, now what? Are we going upstairs?
Yeah?
Okay. Again, obviously, not quite ready for a house tour.
This is my room, so I'll show you last. Okay, now let's go to Hudson's room. He actually made his bed. I don't know if he did that.
He did that.
No, he didn't. Okay, so this is the bear that I made Hudson. We don't have to listen to the audio recording. And look at how much light there is. He definitely got the better room. Older sibling privileges. It's okay, whatever.
Say, does he know you're in here?
It's okay. His bathroom and my bathroom. Why does he have cologne if his bedroom doesn't smell good? Now your bedroom, Dad.
No, actually, no, it's
Yep.
not ready. Do not. Actually, say, no, do not go into my room. No. Whoa, what are you doing?
3,
No,
2,
don't.
1.
Whoa. Oh my God.
I'm just kidding. It's a roof. I can jump and spin. Except don't try this at home unless you have permission. Dad, why do you have stuff all over your balcony?
I told her our bedroom wasn't ready to be seen, but she did it anyway because that's who she is. No, say, the room's not ready. Can we
It's
just
fine.
leave?
It looks good.
No, actually
okay.
don't.
So I'm gonna show you the kind of ready part. Look, your closet is bigger than my room. Now let me show you detail shots of the room.
No, not. There's
There's
nothing.
some boxes, my mom's stuff. Ooh, my socks.
No, say, it's not ready. This is not ready for a house tour. Why are we doing a house tour?
Okay, next room. I'm about to show you my room, but first I'm gonna show you guys the laundry room. This is my laundry basket. I actually have some laundry to do, but it's fine. I do my laundry, so I really like to have a good washer and dryer, and this stuff is so good, it just gets it really clean. My dad obviously didn't do this.
I didn't, and I don't know why we're showing it. Again, not ready for a house tour. Say, tell me, what do you think these things do? Do you have any idea what they do?
Lights, I think. No idea. And now everybody, it's time to see my room, which is fully done. Da-da-da. 3, 2, 1. This is my room. It's not done at all. We just moved, so I haven't had time yet to do it. But I'm gonna do it in a whole other video that you'll see on my dad's channel. So I hope you liked my first video ever on my brand new channel.